Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to be sharing another one of the new paper collections from Fancy Pants Designs today. And I also want to share that they're having a really good sale on the website. The collection kits are all 30% off. And you can also use my discount code. It is SWEETS09. And that will give you an additional 10% off the sale price. So I think that's a really good sale right now. And I'll go ahead and get started. This next paper collection is the Paislees Petals. And it's another really nice paper collection for fall. I think the colors are just really pretty for fall projects. So this is just a quick little look at the pattern papers. And each of these collection kits, they come with 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock papers. It is a nice heavy cardstock, and you get 2 each of the 6 designs, and you also get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And this one, for this collection, has 31 stickers, and that's like a little snapshot of the sticker sheet. So there's that, and I'll go through the papers and then some of the accessories for the collection. So there's this design here, and here's the back. Really pretty. So I do see just fall colors in this paper collection, and I'm loving the, the pink and the peach colors in it as well. So there's this pattern and this pattern here. Really pretty. Here's one with leaves, and here is the back side. It kind of looks like a mosaic design to me, and this one has little flowers. Back of that one. And then here's this one here, just like a background design. And some more florals and the little paisley design there. And we have this one. I like this one. It's so cute. And here's the back side, kind of like a lace design, lace trim and doilies. And here is the sticker sheet. So how cute is this collection? I've already seen a couple of projects, some scrapbook pages from the design team using the Paislees and Petals. So there's going to be lots of inspiration for these, you guys. So that's the paper. And then I did try to do a little prep work to hopefully cut down on some of the crinkling from the packaging. So this is the foam stickers, and I'm loving the black. I think it'll pop really nice against all of those beautiful colors. And so this is the first side, and then here's the back side. And you can see they're nice big words. So there's that. And then we have the enamel stickers in the beautiful matching colors. I love enamel stickers. So cute. And then this is the first ephemera pack. I did take them out. So this one has 129 pieces, you guys. That is a whole lot of ephemera pieces. So you've got lots of leaves, flowers, paisley designs. So cute. So those are those, and I'll go through and just, kind of try and share some of and I like how they have, different sizes. Some are larger, smaller. So cute, right? Okay, I'm gonna go kind of quick because that is a lot of pieces. And that one looks like a little pineapple center there. So here's some flowers, leaves, some smaller little accent flowers, which I love these little ones, to add to projects here and there. So there's that, another paisley, flowers. So I'm going to try to go kind of quick. And let me know if you don't like to see like every single piece, or if this is good. I just never know, because that is a lot of pieces. And some of these, you know, they have more detail. You just pop the little pieces that didn't cut out of those. Another little paisley piece. This beautiful flower. So pretty. I think that one jumped. And so you get the idea. Lots and lots of florals and leaves. Beautiful pink leaves. Love that. So that's these here. So yeah, lots, tons of pieces, which is nice because I know you know, it's just nice, easy to layer these up on your projects, or just add like a little cluster of the same design. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer the rest of these over so I can then do that with the next little ephemera pack. So you get the idea that there is a lot of little pieces. Okay, so those are all from the first collection of ephemera. And here's the second one. This one has 63 pieces in the ephemera. And it's a little bit, you know, larger pieces, tags, labels. It looks like there's like a Polaroid die cut. So that's this one. And I'll go through these a little bit better because they're larger. This one's so pretty, footloose and carefree. You've got this one here. Spring. So just really, really cute. Tags. I love these little tag styles where you can like fill in little areas or journal. Super cute. This really cute lacy piece here. Like a lace trim. And I love this. Kind of like one of those tickets where you have a little tear off area. This one here. So just lots of fun little tags, labels, little stamp. Super cute, right? Okay, so that is this ephemera pack. And again, even 63 pieces. I mean, you can see it is a lot. So many. But I love the size on these. A little bit bigger. Super cute with that stamp. So beautiful. I'm loving the colors. Like the fall colors with lots of pink added to it. So let me know in the comments too if you're doing fall crafting, or you do more Halloween, or do you go straight to Christmas. There's a beautiful new Christmas collection. I'll be sharing that soon too. But here you go. So we've reached the end of these cute little ephemera pieces, more flowers. So there's that, and that was the Paislees and Petals collection. So I hope you enjoyed the little share, and again, check out the description box below for the website and the good sale going on right now, 30% off the collection kits. And again, my discount code is SWEETS09 for an additional 10% off. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.